welcome back to my channel. My name is Safri Farwiza. I am studying in Polytechnic Welding. I will to explain how to do welding.
I will describe two types of welding. The first is acetylene welding and the second is electric welding. Number 1. Gas or carpet welding is a metal-to-metal joining process using acetylene gas as fuel. The process is to burn fuel that has been burned by gas with oxygen to cause a flame with a temperature of about 3,500 degrees Celsius, which can melt the base metal and filler metal. Acetylene, propane, or hydrogen gases can be used as fuel. The three fuels that are most widely used are acetylene gas. So, gas welding is generally defined as an oxyacetylene welding. Because it does not use electric power, oxyacetylene welding is widely used in the field even though it is not used as much as coated electrode arc welding. Compressed gas cylinder containing oxygen and oxyacetylene. Acetylene gas is produced by the reaction between calcium carbide and water. Gas liquid arc welding is usually called according to the gaseous fuel used. For example, carbide welding because it uses carbide gas as fuel, LPG welding due to the LPG gas use, and so on. Fuels commonly used in gas liquid arc welding include acetylene gas, propane gas, hydrogen gas, LPG gas. Carbide welding includes welding where the part to be welded is heated at the joint location until it exceeds the melting point of the two metals to be joined. By melting the two metals, they will unite with or without the added material. Bonding with this procedure is commonly referred to as metallurgical bonding. Oxyacetylene welding is a manual welding process where the surface to be joined is heated until it melts by acetylene gas flames. With or without filler metal, where the joining process is without emphasis. Besides, for welding purpose, gas welding can also be used as reheating, brazing, cutting, and hot pressing. Used for production, field work, and repair and maintenance. In application, the results are very satisfactory for welding carbon steel, especially sheet metal and thin weld pipes. However, almost all types of ferrous and non-ferrous metals can be welded by gas welding, either with or without added materials. In addition to acetylene gas, hydrogen gas, natural gas, propane for metals with low melting points are also used. In the process of combustion of these gases, oxygen is required. This oxygen is obtained from air where the air itself contains 21% oxygen, also contains 78% nitrogen, 0.9% argon, neon, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and other elements that make up gas. Number 2. Electric arc welding. generally called electric welding, is a way of joining metal by using an electric arc flame directed to the metal surface to be joined. The part that is hit by the electric arc will melt. Likewise, the electrode that produces an electric arc will melt at the tip and continue to propagate until it runs out. The liquid metal from the electrode and from some of the objects to be joined is mixed and fills the gap of the two metals to be joined. The fuses and the two metals are connected. Arc welding machines can deliver large amounts of electric current, but with a safe voltage of less than 45 volts. The electric arc that occurs will generate heat energy that is high enough so that it will easily melt the affected metal. The amount of electric current can be adjusted according to the needs by paying attention to the size and type of the electrode. In arc welding, the connection occurs by the heat generated by an electric arc that occurs between the workpiece and the electrode. The electrode or filler metal is heated until it melts and is deposited on the joint so that the weld joint occurs. At first, there is contact between the electrode and the workpiece so that current flows. Then, by separating the conductor and arc areas, electrical energy is converted into heat energy in arc, and temperatures can reach 5,500 degrees Celsius. There are three types of metal electrodes, namely plain electrode, flux electrode, and discrete electrode. Plain electrodes have limited use, including for wrought iron and mild steel. Usually direct polarity is used. Welding quality can be improved by applying a thin flux layer to the weld wire. Flux helps dissolve and prevent the formation of unwanted oxide. But coated weld wire is the type most widely used in commercial weld.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.